Drone technology is on the rise and the number of drones in the air increases at an exponential rate. This also increases the danger of collision between manned and unmanned aviation. Unifly has the solution today to be able to manage the drones in your airspace. Together with UAvionics, we are going to demonstrate today at Woensdrecht Airbase, a military airbase close to the Dutch-Belgian border, how to track and manage the drones in your airspace in real time.
The demo shows 2 drone operations taking place according to the rules. The operators have filed their flight plan and received clearance from the tower. Shortly after takeoff, a rogue drone appears. The pilots take no chances and decide to land until the danger has passed. The control tower has also spotted the rogue drone on their system and dispatches bird control to take action. The rogue drone pilot decides to land and makes a run for it. The Unifly UTM system provides a comprehensive feature set for both authorities and drone operators. Authorities can visualize and manage drone flights and define no-drone zones, enabling dynamic drone flight and airspace management, including real-time drone surveillance and tracking. Drone operators can register drone pilots and drones, and can proactively plan and validate drone flights to make sure these flights do not violate any national and/or local rules. Besides the integration of real-time drone tracking, the Unifly Unmanned Traffic Management System successfully tackles the challenge of handling the complex and dynamic European regulatory framework. This is characterized by fragmentation on both national and local level. The multilingual user interface provided by the Unifly solution is essential for maximizing the user-friendliness and user acceptance. Unifly, unmanned traffic management at your fingertips.